seeing the condition, the situation from the devastation of Hurricane Matthew, we have 5 provinces affected by this thing. It's a mess. It's like a war zone. The way that the people are living, like in the area that we're building houses for families. They lost their little businesses, they lost their homes, their belongings, garden, crops, trees, fruit trees. They lost everything. It's heartbreaking. The amount of children that are there not able to go to school even. And for me, being there, trying to give them a little place, I want to be there. It's not a big home, but it's better than the way they are living right now. So we're just praying that God will provide for the resources to continue building some houses for them. I think it's Paul who said something, do not be tired of doing good. And you never know. For me, if it wasn't someone take a little bit of what they had to invest into my life, send me to school, I don't know what I would be doing today. But because of what they have done for me, thousands of people are being blessed through it now. Communities are being transformed through it. We want prayer, we want support, finances, we want manpower, come down and be involved, build homes, and change communities with us here. That's what we are all about.